To keep your Vicks EasyFill Cool Mist Humidifier running efficiently, clean it regularly. Weekly cleaning is recommended. All maintenance should be done in the kitchen or bathroom on a water-resistant surface near a faucet. Before cleaning, turn off, unplug, and remove any accessories from the humidifier. Empty the water from the tank and the reservoir. Next, remove the mist outlet, outlet cover, mist chamber, and tank cover. These 4 components can be cleaned in the top rack of the dishwasher. Now, follow the separate steps for descaling and disinfecting. Both steps are important and should be performed weekly. To descale the unit, pour 2 cups of undiluted distilled white vinegar into the water tank. Gently swish the vinegar in the tank to make sure it wets the entire inside. Place the tank on its base so the vinegar can drain into the water reservoir and loosen mineral buildup, and soak for 20 minutes. After soaking, pour the solution out from the tank and rinse with water until the smell of vinegar is gone. Next, remove the float paddle from the reservoir, and with the vinegar still in the reservoir, gently wipe the nebulizer and reservoir area with a soft cloth. Then, empty the vinegar from the reservoir and lightly swish 1.5 cups of water in the reservoir. Empty and repeat until the smell of vinegar is gone. Secure the float paddle back in the reservoir, making sure to hear it click in place. When disinfecting, be sure to wear gloves and use caution when handling bleach. Mix 1 gallon of water with a teaspoon of bleach. Pour bleach solution into the water tank and gently swish the solution in circles to make sure it wets the inside. Place the tank on the base to let the solution drain into the water reservoir and soak for 20 minutes. After soaking, carefully empty the solution from the tank and rinse the tank with water until the smell of bleach is gone. Next, remove the float paddle and rinse with water. Then empty the bleach solution from the reservoir and lightly swish 1.5 cups of water in the reservoir. Empty and repeat until the smell of bleach is gone. To clean the scent pad compartment, simply wipe the area gently with a soft, damp cloth. For more information or to purchase accessories, visit VicksHumidifiers.com.